Okay, sorry for that. My alarm came on, so this is part 2. And so what you gotta do, what I'm doing right now is taking up the debris because the way I got it up was kind of messy. Some iPods are not this messy depending on how cracked it is, and other one, I wish I showed you this first one I did. This one was very easy, but I ain't had nobody to help me record it. So, okay. So, right now I'm just going to get some screws. I'm gonna get a screwdriver and take out the screws. Now, normally, there's if you get off a certain website, I think it's iFix.com. They have a map where you can place your screws, but right now I'm gonna just put it in a box. Plain and simple. Didn't feel like buying a box, So there's 8 screws, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 9. My fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's 8. 8 screws, and you gotta take these out before you can get to the motherboard. Put that in there. Okay, right here. Put that right there. So that one right there does not. There's not 2 of these 3 are all the same, so it doesn't matter if you get them mixed up. So they're all the same type of screw. Okay. Put this right here. Don't want to mix them up. Crap, I'm like stubborn. Like, as well as I advise getting a magnetic screwdriver. This one is magnetic, but it's just weak. So put these 2 right beside each other. It doesn't really matter. This 3rd one. Crap, I'm not trying to stick. Alright, take this debris off. Alright, this one is the longest screwdriver. It doesn't really matter. Just to tell you, so you could probably tell the difference just in case you get them mixed up. What's it called? No, just use tweezers. See, it's another good thing. Reason why it's good to have tweezers. Pick up this. Put that right there. This one right here. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. Doing this outside. It's very sunny. What I'm trying to understand, why is it black adhesive? Normally they use clear or something like that. But whatever. Because when the other one I fixed, it was clear. Put this one right here. See this? Right here? Yeah. Now, 2 more left. Now, as you see, look, if you see right here, I keep them in a specific way so it looks just like as if it was in the iPod, where it is not really because they're all the same. So the top one, the left 3, bottom, right, left bottom, right bottom, upper, a little bit upper, a little bit higher on right corner, and last one right here, I will put right across. So, crap. Okay. Now that we got all of the screws up, you would need to reheat the iPod and those two corners where you see the black adhesive. But first, I will remove. I will remove the adhesive since I will be putting some new down. I'm probably not gonna take this off because there's no point. I'll just take this one off and the other one right there. Now, if it's like very good adhesive, you don't really have to take it off. But normally it comes with adhesive in the pack, or you could just use some liquid adhesive. So remove that real quick. This is as well. This part is good to have tweezers to get this up very easily. Crap, it's not trying to come up though. But, crap, it hurt. Okay, so this is very stubborn like that. Maybe you probably don't have to. I'm gonna take this off because it's not really sticky. No, don't want it to come loose. So get this up. Alright, good. And throw that right there. Get your hot iron heat gun or hair dryer. Just heat those two parts where I had the adhesive. And as well right here, this power cable is very important. So if the home button and the volume rockers will still work. Alright, that should be good. Now, you can use this, which looks very broken up. Or you can use the pick. Just use this one since this one already used on the other one and it seems to still be working. No, forget it. Just use a pick. Yeah, just use a pick. Alright, I think that's good. And now what I normally do is I slide this over right here. And then, crap. I normally slide this over. Push it like right in there. So I don't break. So when I take this off, it doesn't break the volume and button rockers. Okay, so got that up. Whoever made this iPod made this